Okay, here's another terrible video for you. Second videos on those batteries. I did get the boxes, covers. They're pretty cool. The only thing that I really don't like is there's too much gap in between here. So I'm going to take a piece of plastic and make it to where it's not so open. And then I'm going to try these. I got no idea if they work or not. Thought I'd give it a shot. But I got two boxes. They were 60 bucks a piece from the dealer. Here's the part number. I think you can get them cheaper for like 45 or 50 bucks if you look online enough, but sometimes the convenience is I was there at the dealer anyway. So this time, to get it up a little bit more for me to get under there, again, I drove up on these ramps. I'm not sure what they're rated for, but it does have that middle one there, so I know it's pretty solid. The ones at Harbor Freight don't even have that, and they're rated for 4,000. And then I jacked up the back and put some stuff there. And I did leave the tires on the ground for safety, so she won't roll away on me. Okay, see how there's a big gap there? I'm gonna close that. You see how there's a big gap here? And then there's no gap right here. So I had to cut the back of it out, because there's the only way to, this one you can slide on by itself, but this one here you got to drop that tray, and that's not what I want to do, especially when I need to just service the terminals. I just want to pull these caps off and clean everything up. Okay, so what I did was the piece that I took out of here, I cut up into all these little pieces, which are going to go on the inside of there. I'm going to goop them up. I just used that cutting wheel. I'm going to goop them up, and then that'll make these here a little bit so there's not open as much. I know I'm terrible at videos, but I'm kind of pretty good at doing all this weird stuff. Okay, here they are gooped up. See what a difference that's going to make? Beautiful. Ain't got to be pretty, just needs to work. Goop. Stuff's good for all kinds of stuff, man. Okay, well, these turned out very well. Anytime you use goop, don't forget to sand the plastic. Make sure you get those edges nice and rough, and shit, she'll stick pretty good. Okay, I've got everything all snugged back up. I got that felt stuff on there and everything nice and lubricated. We'll see if we can get those tops on there. Okay, I'm really happy with the way these turned out. See how nice and snug it is now with that piece in there. There's my battery tender. There's the other one. So now I just take out the two bolts on each cap, and then I can maintenance my post. Nice and simple. Well, I hope you guys made it through the two videos. You'll learn some little tricks if you're interested. But I am glad I got these tops to the box. See how good that came out right there. I would like to seal it off completely. Maybe, I don't know, if anybody has any suggestions. I was thinking about maybe draping a piece of an inner tube, you know, I don't know. Anyway, let's go check it out. There we go. 12.5. That's weird that the video is showing it like moving around, but when I'm looking at it, it's solid. Trippy. And okay. There's the light flashing. So everything's pretty good. All right, if you guys have any suggestions or comments, leave it in below. Hopefully this helps you guys. Thanks for looking.